11,592. First impressions. Let's have a quick look.
Much bigger floor space.
Okay, this is quite large. So what are your first impressions, babe?
Yeah, it looks very nice.
The decor is interesting. I like the pictures. Let's see what sort of storage we've got in here. We've got, it's
not a lot there.
Not a lot there, but there is one on the other side, so let's have a look at that.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Much better. So that, okay, let's
The drawers.
two level. Is it? What would you call that? Two level.
Split level.
Split level wardrobe with hangers above and space for clothes below. Okay, that's interesting. Right, so there's a nice sofa, although it doesn't sit in front of a television. The TV's in front of the bed. Let's have a quick shufty, a quick look there. You want to do a bed test?
Yep.
Are you going to jump on it or just sit?
No, I'm just going to sit.
What fun's that?
It's very firm. It's a very firm bed.
Right, shoes off and start jumping up and down.
No.
No, okay.
It's
Well, I did ask.
similar to Celebrity, the firmness. Not as comfy as Princess.
You can't really beat a princess bed, can you? So
No.
there's some additional storage up the top. We'll take a look at the balcony in a second. The television is interesting. It seems to have some backlighting issues, so we'll see how that works afterwards. We've got tea and coffee making facilities there with a kettle. There are some drawers. Anything in them?
No, I think they're just for storage.
So tissues,
Hairdryer.
hairdryer. So we've got a fridge.
Yep, got a fridge.
All right, nice. No
Nice.
minibar setup. So we've got some plugs here on the desk. Some cruise information which we'll have to check out. A couple of USBs, European socket and 2 US. Let's have a quick look by the bed. By the bed we have a telephone, lamp, small bit of storage there, some drawers under that small wardrobe space. Over on this side we've got a lamp, light switch and one US port, so no USBs there. Right. We got a little coat hanger by the door next to the bathroom. Bathroom is not particularly big, but probably big enough. You got toilet, shower. Shower's got a glass or perspex. It's probably perspex. Yep, movable shower head. Some body wash and 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash. Yep. So it's more modern than we're used to.
But smaller.
It's very small. Yeah, it's small, but I think it'll do the trick. Just have to make sure we utilise the space in a sensible way. What are the towels like? What do you think of the towels?
They're okay.
Bit on the rough side?
Little bit.
Little bit.
They'll
Bit
do
more
the job.
fabric softener, but they'll do the job. Right, let's take a look at the balcony. Right, so for your comfort, door must be locked for air conditioning to operate. So let's open it. Okay. So we're still docked at Sydney, but yeah, the balcony's quite deep actually. That's loud. Yeah, there's still some loading going on down on the dock. But if you look at the balcony, it's yeah, very wide. You could probably get a lounger in here as well. We've got Sydney Harbour Bridge over there and Sydney CBD to our left. We'll be out on here a fair bit, I reckon.